Welcome back to our 21-day introduction to Matomo. In this video we'll be going over the top paths report. This is a premium feature. If you're on Matomo Cloud, you'll be able to see this feature if you're self-hosted or you've just installed the WordPress plugin. You probably won't have this available on your screen. You'd have to purchase it. If you want to follow along with this data, just visit demo.matomo.cloud. You'll be seeing pretty much the identical reports. So the top paths report gives us the top sequence of page views that your visitors are having. So the very top sequence, and it makes perfect sense, is someone goes to the cart and goes to checkout, and that has the most visits. And as we go through, it's got all the interactions and the most likely steps in order of visits. So if you've got a website with a lot of pages, you're going to have lots of different possible scenarios here, and that's why this report's got over 4,000 possible paths for a user to go through. Down below here, this is sort of the table version of the user's flow report, which we looked at the last video. It's probably best, unless you like looking at numbers or looking at in a text form, it's probably best to have a look at the user's flow report to get the best amount of detail or visually what's happening here. Further down the bottom, we've got the same reports as these, but for the page titles. And as I mentioned in the last video, potentially you might have a page which is the same title across multiple URLs, and it's not going to give you the best action or most detail. So for this particular report, I'll be sticking with the page URLs report, and along with our other reports, we can show a totals row, change the visualization, export, and search for a particular path if we wanted to. And on the right, of course, we've also got the amount of rows we want to display. That pretty much covers the behavior reports. You can see down here we've got these other ones: page author, page location, page type, and crawling errors. These ones here, not actually reports at all, they're custom dimensions, and we'll cover that in another video altogether. It's a totally new topic by itself. And crawling errors isn't generally available anymore, so I'm not sure why it's still in the demo. So we won't bother covering that particular topic in this series of videos. So next batch of videos we're going over quite an important part of Matomo, and it's acquisition, or how customers or visitors found your website.